All right, so I'm doing a series of videos now outside. I live in West Michigan, and it's beautiful in West Michigan, but I realize I've been doing a lot of videos in my basement. So this is a 1-minute video about this Friday. Avi Singh and I are on his PowerON show are going to talk about The One Thing, which is a book that has dramatically changed my life. About 2 years ago, I remember I didn't really have direction, and I was really struggling with, I would always write these task lists, and I would have to-do lists, and there were hundreds of tasks sometimes on the list. But after reading this book, I realized not all the tasks needed to be done that day. So here's a tip for everybody out there is what I started doing about a year ago is I started reviewing the list every morning of the tasks that were due that day and paring it down to about 25 to 30 of the most important. And then I would take it a step further and I would have categories of health, wealth, family, and relationship. And I would pare it down to one task that would change my life on those 4 categories every day. And this was a simple, 10-second activity, right? But it really gave me priority and a direction in my life so that I could focus on, the most important items. So that is one tip for today. I'm going to try to do this every week where I go to a point of interest outside in Holland, Michigan, and record a video. So see you next week, and we'll find a new outdoor place to catalog. Bye.